It's pretty. It's pretty. That's what we do over here at this household. When something is bomb, we be like, it's pretty.
I'm just telling you, this is the world's best steak. I was even afraid to cook this steak. I didn't want to mess up. Had it in my refrigerator for like 2 days.
All right, this is my first time trying to cook some of this wagyu beef, A5 strip. This is a 0.22 pound little small sample. And the instructions I seen online. You want to get you some salt. I got some sea salt and some regular old pepper. Dang, it's thin and it feels fragile. It's about to rip apart.
So, this is the world's best steak. If you never tried it before, I'm showing you in this video what you need to do to cook it. So what I did was I set it out for 20 minutes and let it get to room temperature. And when you take it out the package, it feels like it's melting already. It feels like it's about to rip apart. It feels fragile. Then what I did was I grabbed some butter, lightly coated the non-stick pan with butter. Not a lot because this steak is really greasy and oily. I seasoned the first side face down because I didn't want it to rip apart. So what I did, I just did this top layer. As you can see, I just seasoned that part. Then when I set it in the skillet, I flipped it on the side that I did the seasoning on. Then I went and got my pepper and my salt, and then I seasoned it while it was in the pan. I had it on medium heat and I let it cook for 3 minutes on one side. My steak was very thin, and so I let it cook for 3 minutes, and I was gonna let it cook for another 3 minutes on the other side, but then I seen that I started to burn it a little bit, and they say do not want to overcook this steak, so I only did 2 minutes. So 5 minutes total. I did 3 minutes on one side and 2 minutes on the other side, and I took it out.
It's going down. It's going down. The finished product, it looked pretty greasy. We'll see how it tastes. This is the first sample of the beef. It's greasy. Is it in focus? No? It's pretty fire though. Oh shoot. It's pretty. It's pretty. That's what we do over here at this household. When something is bomb, we be like, it's pretty. I thought they was playing. I watched the video about this mess, and people be like biting into stuff, and they be like, oh, it's so good. It's worth it. If you ain't ever had it, you gotta try it.